I'm Mylaya here at IT Supplies, and today I'm going to show you how to change out your head cleaning set from your Epson SureColor F2100. Using our control panel, we're going to right-click over to Maintenance, click again, and go down to our head cleaning set. Click right once more, proceed forward, and then since our platen is already inside, we're going to select Yes. If your platen isn't inside, select No. Now we're going to wait as the print head moves over to the left side of the machine to expose the fabric wiper and the suction cap. Now we're going to lift the window and you're going to pull out your fabric wiper and you insert the new one as such and make sure you push down and it's snapped in. Then your suction cap, you're going to pull the black tab and pull it straight out and put the new one in as such. Now we're going to close the window and select OK to now move over to our flushing pad. The print head is going to move right back to the right hand side, and then we're going to have our flushing pad available for us. Now we're ready to open the window once more, and this is our flushing pad, and this is what it will typically look like. And we pop that out, and you would add a new one. Put it inside the little gauges there. And using your other hand, which might be a little easier, you pop it right back in. So you need those clip sounds in order to make sure it's secured. And that's how you change your head cleaning set on your Epson SureColor F2100. Thanks so much for watching this. If you would like to see more of these videos, please go to our YouTube channel.